Log in to the Mswipe bank portal at bankportal.mswipetech.com using your registered email ID or mobile number and tap on Get OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered email ID or mobile number, then tap Verify. Once the OTP is verified, you'll see a login successful message. Tap OK to continue. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. From here, select Create New Applications to get started. Enter your business details by selecting your GST status, uploading your PAN card and filling in the required fields. Review the consent details, tick the checkbox to allow CKYC verification and tap Proceed to continue. A pop-up will appear to fetch your CKYC details. Enter your registered mobile number and tap Send OTP. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your registered mobile number, then tap Verify. Confirm whether you have a physical storefront, upload the required inside and outside store photos and enter the website URL if applicable. Tap Proceed to continue. To fetch your CKYC details without a mobile number, tap Fetch without OTP. Confirm whether you have a physical storefront, upload the required inside and outside store photos and enter the website URL if applicable. Tap Proceed to continue. Select your annual turnover option, choose the required OVD-UBO document type, upload the required documents and tap Proceed to continue. Choose your industry category, then select the relevant service type and subcategory that best describes your business. Tap Proceed to continue. Enter your bank details such as IFSC code, branch name and account information. Upload a supporting document, such as a cancelled check, and tap Proceed to continue. Enter your personal details, including legal name, business owner name, mobile number and email address. Ensure all details are correct, then tap Proceed to continue. Select your business location on the map and enter your registered address details, including PIN code, area, landmark, locality, city and state. If your current address is different from the registered address, enter it separately. Tap Proceed to continue. Choose the product you want by selecting rental or non-rental. Review the features and price. Add the product to your cart and tap Proceed to continue. Review product details and tap Buy Now to continue. Review the available free and paid services for your selected product. Choose the services you want, check the payment summary and tap Proceed to continue. Review the total payable amount and select BTP. View your transaction limit and tap Proceed to continue. Congratulations! Your Android Smart POS with SIM will be delivered to your registered address.